Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. On January the 3rd at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and Jamaican Time, Gold Talk will be having our year-end review, Best of 2021, and giving out some awards. We're going to do voting right now for the best memes of 2021. First category is going to be Best Meme Concert. Jahshii versus Squash.
Life sweet, coming over. Memories in the past, mama. After replace my tears in the past, I wake up all day. One, 25 years right now. I never know what poverty. Poverty does so good to the pussy mother. That's good. Right now. He's stuck in the lead.
Family dead.
The crowd was out of there. So to slow this down, you guys check out the laptop guy, the selector, how quick he moves. Keep that in mind when you're doing your voting. We also want you guys to see how confident Jahshii was. And then the police, how quick he got on the stage. Okay, now it's time for our next runner-up, Squash. Let's see if Squash can win this award. He's been in the runnings longer. So Squash, go through.
Artist Alkaline in Bridgeport. Dancehall artist Squash in Bridgeport.
Gaza, you know me, but for truth, there's some look about them all. Tell them say your money way. Tell them say your money way. Dash! Good night, Bridgeport. Big up all our sexy ladies over there. And big up all our dogs them. But we see money maker and them going out here, so now, go sir.
Okay, what's important to note about this is how hype Alkaline's performance is. He's energetic, he's into it. There's pure women packed up in the front row. And as you can see, just overall, the place is a ram up. Squash almost gets stuck when he's entering the stage. There's barely any people in the front row, much less girls. His entourage is very small and not even paying any attention to him. And then there's pure men in Atacana. And then when he does his shout out to the women, it is just quiet. Alrighty then. So now best meme interview for the year. We got Combo Queen versus Jahshii again. Wow.
Clear up my dates them.
Lock up on a lock up.
Yeah. And I keep the party. I'm gonna tell my excited. The way I'm excited, I start crying.
Pussy. Drop a bomb for you. Drop a bomb for you. Yeah, so, yeah, man, so. So, one bag of something that going to have in a combo. So, yeah, man, say no.
No, combo never run.
So, I just like some head go on them because something there.
No, not at all. No, took place. Not at all. I just a regular party.
So, the bomb. So, hold on there. So some video while growing and then part of that video then.
No.
Blood clot.
That is not my party. That is not my.
Police are corrupt. Me tell all of my friends them say yo, me no friend killer, but if my friend them really I try to kill me, what you feel like me for do? Eh?
So if I
me I go ask me let me ask you.
Alright, go ahead.
Me tell my friend them when I grow with from marble and box chuck and pampas and nappy, say if me find out say one of them I try to kill me I go murder them. Where you think me should have do? Where you think me for do?
I don't think you should murder anybody.
Listen to me, Anton. Human being a corruption.
Okay, now last but not least, best this meme for the year. Let's go, starting with our favorite.
Fuck off, unruly Popcaan. After me say St. Thomas, man, walk my queen this. You come insult me and I walk off. Fuck off, you sing a fuck off song. Fuck off, Popcaan, fuck you. Double tap for all I clean bad pussy girl them. And none of your blood clot friend them can't do me nothing. Cause God damn it couldn't do me nothing. Cause you insult me. I was being polite but through my blood clot enough but me a hot girl. So I'm gonna take the insult but fuck off, Popcaan, fuck you! Fuck off. Beenie Man, I love you. Zim Zimmer, who got the key to the baby? Hey, Beenie Man, a Grammy you get. Let's see where the goal something. Fuck off, Popcaan, you're not getting a Grammy yet. Move your blood clot, me I struggle for Grammy. Ha ha ha. Maybe I get the Grammy before.
Wait, that's it. See?
Skinny.
What's the rush, Skinny? Eh? And do you coke?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir, no, sir, with the blood clot, yes, sir, boy.
Yes, sir.
Now nobody make me catch you, sir, again. Run away!
Oh, I know about the album.
You know the procedure already. People, when it's the type me.
You buy it already?
No, yes, you buy it already. So I should add me and mix it back on money. So I do it.
Okay,
They know already.
all who buy the album, you
Type
add
me.
them, and then them show
It's
so them buy
type,
it
they
already.
type me.
And they show it, and then them show so them buy it already. When they
Right.
buy me, they add them show so them buy it already.
Yes, I didn't get back the money.
Oh, so the whole way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, we have a new contender. This is so funny. Let's watch this one. Squash, welcome. Chaos, big up. We have to give you credit. This is so funny.
TikTok on the rip of my bicycle. I have a sandwich. TikTok, I ruined my garden on TikTok. Outside on TikTok.
Hey guys, see you Monday, January 3rd at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and Jamaican time to see the final results. Bless up. Happy New Year.
Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be updated with new videos, share, and like. Thanks.